Ever uploaded a video, gotten halfway through editing, and had to step away, only to forget where YouTube saved your work? Don't worry, finding your unfinished YouTube video drafts is surprisingly straightforward, and I'm about to show you exactly how. First things first, you'll need to navigate to YouTube Studio. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of YouTube and selecting YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a variety of options. We're interested in the Content tab. Click on Content. This page shows all the videos you've uploaded, scheduled, or are currently working on. You might see a long list of videos here. To easily find your unfinished projects, we'll use the filter. Look for the filter bar just above your list of videos. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several filtering options. Scroll down until you see the Drafts option. Click on Drafts. Instantly, your content list will refresh and only display the videos that you've saved as drafts. These are your ongoing projects. To resume working on a specific video, simply click on its title. This will open up the video details page. From here, you have access to all the editing tools you were using before. You can change the title, description, add end screens, update your thumbnail, or continue with your video editing process. As you make your changes, remember to click the Save button, also located in the top right corner, to ensure your progress is recorded. Now you know exactly where to find your YouTube video drafts, making it simple to pick up where you left off and get your content published when you're ready. Happy creating!